Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 18th to the 22nd of September 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today, we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, trade watch list with our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, energies, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate a substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com. Commodity Market Outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. This week, you want to have the following on your watch list: the Fed, cryptocurrencies, and also the gold price. So what's next for the Fed? All eyes will be on Wednesday's FOMC meeting. Whilst this week's meeting is not expected to result in an interest rate increase, investors will be focusing on how Fed Chair Janet Yellen characterizes recent inflation readings for clues to the likelihood of an interest rate hike in December. With the cryptocurrencies, we've seen some big moves over the last couple of weeks. One of the key reasons for the recent correction has been Chinese authorities ordering all local cryptocurrency exchanges to cease trading, forcing two of the largest China-based cryptocurrency exchanges to announce plans to exit the market. However, that has not deterred the Bitcoin bulls as they piled into the digital currency on Friday, driving the price back up more than 12%. The next few weeks will be crucial in deciding where we are in the current cycle as the bulls and bears will battle for control. Gold prices have now pulled back from one-year highs just over a week ago as tensions regarding North Korea have started to ease. The recent breakout in gold has carried it to overbought territory, and although the long-term trend is clearly bullish for now, a move to test 1,300 key psychological support is very likely now, especially if the Federal Reserve joins the hawkish central bank trend. Odds of a December rate hike have climbed from 22% to 47% in just the past week. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. We'll start off with Bitcoin and then we'll move over to gold. Bitcoin is currently trading at $3,941, which has been an impressive 12% gain off the lows here from Friday, where we saw the price break all the way back down to $3,000 and then get well supported. So this was in fact the level that we broke out from at the beginning of August, where we saw the price surge within 2.5 weeks from $3,000 up to $5,000. And we've since corrected and given back a lot of that move. However, it is noteworthy how fast the price has been bid back up from $3,000 and it's in fact trading just under $4,000 at the moment. The question now on Bitcoin, after a retest of $3,000, which was very well supported, and we've seen some big volumes go through the market and Bitcoin get a significant bid at that very key zone, is whether now Bitcoin is going to create a V-shaped reversal recovery here and essentially reclaim back above $4,000, and then what it would need to do is actually close back above $4,500 to put the price back within these channels where it broke down from more recently when it broke and closed back below 4,000 in order to see the price recover and then potentially reclaim back above 5,000. So there is the potential for a V-shaped reversal recovery from these prices, but certainly it is not there yet. What you need to bear in mind on Bitcoin is that we've also still got this overhead resistance to contend with, which Bitcoin does need to break and close above, and we may see a lower high get put into Bitcoin if it cannot recover from the recent correction here. So essentially what Bitcoin needs to do in order for the bulls to continue the upside advantage here would be for the price to break and close first of all back above 4,000, which is the level where we broke down from last week. It would then need to get a break and a close back above 4,500 to put it back within these underlying trend channels which broke down more recently, and then we should see the price structure start to recover more significantly, and then we could be on track for a revisit back towards $5,000 if Bitcoin can continue that momentum to the upside. The bearish scenario here for Bitcoin would be that we may just either hold below 4,000 and then roll over and see a retest back towards 3,000 here, or we may create a head and shoulders pattern, which would be the equivalent of having a rally back towards 4,500, not being able to sustain above that zone. So essentially a goodbye kiss here, where a previous underlying supportive channel then provides resistance, and then we start to see the price structure roll over again, and then we could see again another revisit back towards 3,500 or back towards 3,000 below here. So far the recovery on Bitcoin over the last 48 hours has been impressive. It's already managed to recover over $1,000. So from $2,950, is trading already back at $3,950. So certainly there's a lot of money to be made, even on these short-term bounces to the upside, which we've taken advantage of. Moving over to gold, which is currently trading at $1,314 US per ounce, and the price structure has continued to pull back after retesting one-year highs just over a week ago above $1,350 US. Since then, we have continued to see a corrective pullback on gold, resolving this overbought condition, which you can see very clearly on the chart here, where we have now been pulling back for just over a week. A point to note on gold at the moment is that data is showing speculators raise their net long position in COMEX gold contracts for the 9th straight week, bringing the net long position to a one-year high. So what does that mean for the price of gold here? We continue to see an increase in bullishness from speculators, essentially buying into the current pullback that we're seeing at the moment on gold. What I would suggest is this week's direction for gold is likely to be decided by Wednesday's FOMC statement, which of course, if that was to be a hawkish FOMC statement, we would expect a US dollar surge and therefore a further corrective decline here for gold. However, if the statement is more dovish and is cautious, we would expect the US dollar to continue its momentum to the downside and potentially gold to get well supported and break out and gold get a bid. So in terms of the price structure at the moment, I would consider the following for a trade idea. Short term, the momentum is bearish here for gold, and in fact we've got a V-shaped reversal pattern here with the neckline currently sitting approximately at $1,310 US. So if we were to get a breakdown of that level, I would not be surprised to see gold come back and revisit 1,295 to 1,300 US per ounce. What will be important are the closes this week, and especially during Wednesday's FOMC statement. So we can see here where essentially we've got this major underlying level of support here between 1,300 US dollars to 1,310 US dollars per ounce. If we were to see a break and a close back below 1,300 US dollars this week, that would suggest that we are going to correct more deeply here for gold in the weeks to come. Between now and the end of September, we would see speculators start to liquidate their long position, and that is where we could see a more significant decline here for gold. So especially on a closing basis, closing back below 1,300 US dollars per ounce, we could start to see a deeper correction in progress for gold and take advantage on the sell short side, especially if Wednesday's FOMC statement is hawkish and signals further support for a December interest rate hike. So with that, we would look to be a seller of gold. However, on the flip side of that, if we just see short-term momentum to the downside up until Wednesday's FOMC statement, coming back into an area of value here for gold, so potentially between 1,300 and 1,310 US dollars per ounce, if the price is well supported at this level, especially on a closing basis. So if it doesn't close below 1,300 and stays well supported, and especially if Wednesday's FOMC statement is dovish, we could start to see gold get a bid at these levels and essentially then break out of this recent downward trending channel, and it would just be a continuation pattern. We would then look for a breakout of this bull flag formation, taking the price back up to resistance between 1,345 US dollars up to 1,355 US dollars per ounce. FOMC statements, and particularly the September FOMC statement, is well known on having a big impact on the US dollar and also the precious metals. So we could really see some explosive moves here on Wednesday, which continue to follow through and set the tone for the remainder of September. So with that, it's definitely a trading opportunity you don't want to miss out on. And if you'd like to find out more, our exact entry, our exit, our take profit levels, the exact trades that we will be taking at the Gold and Silver Club, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session, and we will provide you with full details of how you can make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included our sell short in platinum. We've seen overall weakness on the precious metals over the past week, and we've sold short on a breakdown of key support, banking 250 points profit. Crude oil surged again last week on rising refinery demand and the falling rig count on Friday, banking us 200 points profit on our buy position. Amongst our top trades, we've also capitalized on the recent breakout here with coffee prices after a 2-week-long consolidation, banking 110 points profit on our long position. And lastly, on Friday, we had a great opportunity to enter into Bitcoin after a retest of $3,000 for a very fast move to the upside for 420 points profit. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The Private Members Live Trading Room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our Private Members Live Trading Room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our Private Members Live Trading Room, please go to www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.